Looking for the best 75-inch TVs for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 75-inch TVs that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a 75-inch TVs that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended 75-inch TVs. Number 1 on the list is LG OLED Evo G2. LG's OLED TVs continue to set the standard for outstanding visuals. The self-lit pixels can create perfect blacks, helping to make colors pop and ensuring the smoothest motion during any fast-paced sports or movies. OLED's main drawback has always been that it can't achieve the same brightness as the best LED TVs, and that still stands true, but the new OLED Evo range has started to make up some ground. With the Brightness Booster Max tech, the advanced processor can enhance the brightness of whatever you're watching for a display that is super vivid without becoming too rich and saturated. It's also a fantastic TV for gamers, with 4 HDMI 2.1 ports offering full 4K 120fps alongside a variable refresh rate to ensure the smoothest gameplay possible without sacrificing picture quality. It's backed with G-Sync and FreeSync Premium, so whether it's box, PlayStation, or your PC, it'll get the most out of every title. Of course, with OLED there's always that slight risk of permanent burn-in, but providing you're careful not to leave it on a screen with fixed graphics, that risk is super low. Second on the list is Samsung QN900A Neo QLED. It's a really tight-run thing deciding between the best LG OLED and the best Samsung Neo QLED TV. They are both frankly excellent TVs, with the Neo QLED comfortably the brighter of the two. The introduction of mini LED tech to the QLED range has massively improved the vibrancy and contrast too, which is solidified in this latest model. However, it does still lack those perfect blacks of OLED, which means you can get a slight blooming effect in scenes with a mix of light and dark shades. It's an 8K TV though, and is incredible for it. The Neo Quantum Processor 8K, a mouthful, does a fantastic job at upscaling content to get the most out of the resolution despite the lack of 8K content availability. There are a ton of features we could talk about with this TV, from the Infinity One design that is amazingly slim to multi-view and motion accelerator Turbo Plus. One that's worth detailing is the Object Tracking Sound Pro, which uses 10 speakers in the TV to bounce sound around the room, giving you the full 3D audio experience without a home cinema system. It's just worth highlighting, no pun intended, that the anti-reflection screen tech isn't as effective as on some other models, so you can still suffer from glare during those sunnier days. Number 3 on the list is TCL 6 Series Mini LED. It's hard to talk about a budget option for a 75-inch TV, because if you want a screen this big then you're going to be paying a sizable amount regardless. Having said that, TCL always excels at creating TVs that are packed with features, and, while not as high quality as Samsung, LG, or Sony models, they still do a great job at a lower price tag. This 6 Series TV is no different. A mini LED display with QLED means that colors are nice and vibrant, while there's good contrast between brighter and darker shades. Motion is smooth, but not completely free of blurring, and it's compatible with all major HDR technologies including HLG and Dolby Vision. It also has some great gaming features, with 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, and the screen does have a compatible 120Hz refresh rate, while Game Studio Pro includes a wealth of gaming-specific features you can tinker with, including VRR and ALLM. It has all the basics of a high-end TV too, including Google and Alexa voice control and thousands of streaming apps. The picture and sound do lag behind a top-tier TV, but for the price, it's an excellent choice. Number 4 on the list is Sony Bravia XR Z9J. Sony's Bravia Z9J is another exceptional TV, which at this price it would have to be, to keep up with the best that LG and Samsung have to offer. Its full array LED display and 8K resolution combine to create amazingly detailed images packed with vibrant colors, although the contrast isn't as solid as an OLED or Samsung's mini LEDs. It's still high quality with deep blacks, but it's not perfect, and some blooming or haloing is likely in certain scenes. It makes up for this with the cognitive processor XR, its flagship processor, that masters a wide range of Sony's XR tech features, boosting not just the sharpness of images, but also tackling motion blur and improving sound. It doesn't have Sony's leading surface audio tech, but it does utilize acoustic multi-audio to create a virtual surround sound experience. In terms of gaming features, it's a bit of a mixed bag. It has 3 HDMI 2.1 ports with 4K 120fps support, but it's missing G-Sync and FreeSync along with VRR. What it does have is some dedicated HDR and motion support for PS5 games, so PlayStation owners will get a great experience. Number 5 on the list is Samsung the Terrace Outdoor QLED. This is absolutely a specialist TV, and only for those with a serious chunk of change to spend, but if you want an amazing TV for your outdoor space, then there is none better. The Terrace has a vibrant QLED display with bold colors and decent, though not perfect, contrast. It handles bright scenes like sports really well, but if you want to watch darker movies on your deck at night, then you'll notice how shades don't quite pop from the screen. It's weatherproofed with an IP55 rating, so providing you don't point the hose pipe directly at it, then you shouldn't have any issues, and it's rated safe for direct sunlight too, so you've more options on where to mount it. The screen does have an anti-reflection coating, so you'll have a great view even on those bright summer days. There's no amazing sound tech to shout about though, and that price is huge already, so buying a weatherproof sound system is another consideration if you want the best experience. An amazing TV, but not something that everyone can likely aspire to. Just now is a list of 5 best 75-inch TVs that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, you will receive our latest videos. Thank you.